I visit the most. Devastation Place in St. James. There are lots of houses or collapse. They are a big disaster by the hurricane. Melissa, lots of people have homeless people don't have anywhere to stay. We are going to need to do some donation to help the people of needs right now. They need your help. Please can you donate towards my channel? The PayPal link is going to be done in the description. When I see this, it makes me sad. I break down in tears. I don't know what to say. I got to pray for God and let us all for the best. There are lots of lights are not working. Powers has been cut off and things will not be back to normal until about the next 5 years. It's really so devastated. I am really shocked in what Hurricane Melissa has done to St. James. It has badly been instructed.
I love you, so God bless you. Bye-bye, darling. We're 5 and I know so we know they get it bad, you know?
A wicked man.
Mm-hmm.
Normal place, man.
Mm-hmm. It's a wicked thing, you know what I mean?
Community, I know, they come and go and big community, so you can see everywhere.
Yeah, man, everywhere, wall and place and everything, you know, go.
Yeah, Moby, if you go up this side, you see Moby. You see back Chilla and over here, so this side.
All in place mash up, eh?
Mash up.
Yeah, man, I go video inside, huh? Alright, man. We'll take some video now. I know the rain come, I can feel the breeze too.
Everything the father shell out.
I have respect for that, man.
Father, the only thing that shell out in the seat there. Yes. That's one two of them over this side, up to them.
Yeah, adapt me to say. Yeah, adapt me to say that. Beside all the dead people, they never take it. Them are the only ones safe down there, eh? Boy, only the dead.
Yes, man. I will meet up over there.
Yes, man. I'm glad to find it.
Yeah, man. Alright, so, you know,
yes, guys.
Before rain come down, you know.
Alright. This is one room, guys, you know. It's another one of the house here, guys, you know, in St. James, the big devastation. So this is one house here, guys, you know. So this is why I will need donation, you know, to help these people, because a lot of them is suffering, guys. They have nowhere to sleep, clothes, you know, everything is gone, guys. So that is one room. So you got, okay, let's see if I can get through here. But I have to watch my step, guys. Got nail and boards. Even I'm wearing a strong grip. Don't get it wrong, guys. So this is another part of the house, guys. Look at that, guys. You know, all this place is devastated, you know.
Oh, thank you, Jesus Christ.
Look at all this, guys. You know? Jeez, this is one of the most devastation I ever seen. One of the worst hurricanes, you know, guys. Let me come around this side. Just about getting in this house, you know. And this meant to be the bathroom inside here. That is gone. Let me come straight in. The toilet. Jeez. Wow! All that is gone. Look at that. That is sad.
Hi, gentlemen.
Your toilet. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, what you doing?
I'm doing YouTube.
YouTube?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, I'm a content creator. Yes. So I can try and get a donation for you guys. Try and get people to donate.
Yes, man, because we lose everything. We lose the machine, furniture, bed, clothes, everything we lose is up on the house.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man.
Yes, man. Let me find them know that, you know.
Yes, man. We lose a lot of stuff, my darling.
Mm-hmm. A lot of stuff gone.
What person, right now, my machine gone. I have to get a new brand machine.
Yeah?
Yes, and you, I'm a just mechanic.
Sure.
Gone. The furniture then match up then gone. The house done.
Yes, I can see your rooftop and everything is tearing off.
Tearing up, man.
You tear your rooftop
Right now,
off.
if you don't know you're walking out, it just collapse.
Yes, yes. It will just collapse like that, you know.
Just collapse with you.
Yes,
Everything gone. So why we need a strong help.
yes.
Powerful help we need.
Yeah, yes, I can see. Yes, he's gonna need a big donation to build this house back up.
Yes, my darling.
Yeah, this is sad. And outside as well, guys. Look outside here as well.
Now tell him, my brother, everything.
All of that outside is damaged.
Tank, everything, match up, everything we get tear down.
Yes,
My darling, it's terrible.
yes,
But we have to just give God praise that we have life, you know?
yes. We have to give them praise that we have light. You
We
know.
have life, we have life.
Yes, life is more important than light. Yes,
Life important, my darling.
yes,
So we
it's,
give the Lord thanks for life, you know, my darling?
yes, of course. You know.
God,
Yes,
darling.
miss. Yes, that's all right. That is all right. I don't have a problem with that, you know.
You see me there, I'm a loving mother, you know?
You can see you loving mother. You remind me of my auntie, you know, for suddenly before.
You trying to say come like 4 hours?
Well,
Wow, you're chopping.
lots of
You
yam.
are.
Yeah, I've been eating a lot of yam and dumplings.
Wow.
Yes. And drinking cornmeal porridge.
And your grandson, give me a 5.
Oh, thank
Give me
you.
a 5.
Oh, thank you so much.
Give me a 5.
Thank you so much.
And thank you for what you did, okay?
And no problem, man. God bless you for that, you know.
Yes, my darling, and
Yes.
I wish you all the best.
Yes, thank you
I
so
wish you
much.
all the best, will you?
Thank you
and
so
I'm
much.
looking to see you another time.
Yes, man, of course. I will come again.
All right.
Yes, I want to get the fund to donate, you know, and get some money
When you
together.
come, I'm going to take you away.
Yes,
I like you.
Yes, of course. Take me
I
away,
love
man.
you.
Yes, you
I
can
love
keep
you.
me.
Wow! Man! What's that? I love him, man. He's nice. He's very nice. He's very nice.
Thank you so much, man.
Baby, that's straight down, wonderfully.
Yes,
Go straight down, my baby.
that's right, you know. So all this place, guys.
My darling.
Yes.
Everything
Oh,
is gone.
what's up? That's everything, man.
Just keep us strong.
Yes. Right, and this is the veranda. So everything is gone here, guys. You know, look at that.
No man, this how we run come to. This is what we run come to. See?
Only right here, so.
Yeah, this is what we run come to, cause that is my house and this is my mother house here, so.
Right.
If you never have this, we live, we are die. If you never have
Jesus
this concrete building here, so
Yeah.
we are die. That is my mother room there, and that
Jesus. Yes, and the roof and everything. Jesus Christ.
Yeah man. So if you never have this, we are dead.
And that was your house down
Yeah,
there?
that is my house down there.
Jesus.
So what we have to come and pack up in this house. If you never have this, we are die.
Jesus. And me here say lots of people dead around here too.
Yeah, but you got care for it. We won't come here and we shall see it.
Yes.
Because it bust some concrete house too, you know.
Yes, me hear that. Yes.
Yeah.
So look down here, guys. You know, so down this side, this was his house, guys, and look what Hurricane Melissa done. It tear up the whole of this house down here, guys. Look at that. And thank God, they got this here. If they didn't have this here, guys, they would have dead, man. They would have dead. So thank God they got this little area here. Just this little area was the only place, guys. This is really, really sad.
I want somebody to go back and house, you know?
Yeah.
Somebody to go back and place too.
Why, my brother?
So just about fighting for survival, eh?
Yeah.
Jesus, man.
Yeah, I think I'm going to save back, the shop, so I'm going to save back. I'm
Yes, man, this is very sad, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's my brother.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, it's terrible.
Everything gone down that
All over
side.
the parish, you know.
Yeah.
All over the parish, everything, everybody needs help.
Yes. This is really sad.
Terrible.
Jesus. Yes,
Thank
man.
you guys to come and see what happened to you, you know?
Yes, of course.
Very much that you can come back and say, alright then?
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Over here as well. Look at this one over here as well. Yes, this one over here is damaged.
That's gone, man. I mean, never live over there, so it's gone.
Jeez, so his top gone completely. Look at that. Jeez, that is finished.
Down here is Sunderland, you know.
Yeah.
Down here is Sunderland.
All that, yeah?
Yeah, man. See, all the tree them down is come like stick, like dry stick.
You like dry stick, yeah?
Yeah, you see, come like dry stick.
Yes.
Yeah, man. The first time I come here, so you have a green view, you know. Now we have a brown view.
Yes, because I remember I was here the last time and the whole of this place was nice.
Green.
Yes,
So
green.
now you have a brown view.
Jeez,
Everybody turn brown person now, from green to brown.
yeah.
Yeah, man. Me like the healthy country, you know.
Yes.
That's the main thing. Me like. As we talk by the next man YouTube, see me come and say by him. Me say, you don't have to help me, but help who need help, but I like help too.
Yeah, well, of
You
course.
understand? And the people them that love Jamaica have God in their heart and say they can reach out to help the people. We don't talk about the government now, because government himself need help right now.
Yeah, man.
So we, the people of Jamaica, require to help the country. Not to be alone, the whole country. I mean, no say whole world love Jamaica. They love Jamaica. I will make them laugh, I will make them cry, I will make them smile. So
Yes.
they like to just help the country. Because this time, I wickedness from me ban.
Wickedness, me ever
From me
see.
ban.
It's the worst time I ever come
I
across.
see midway like
Because I come across.
Believe me.
It's the
I'm
worst
speaking right now to the world right now. I said if we never have this place there, life,
Jeez, thank God.
Not
Thank God we're
good
still
life.
alive, you know?
I give God thanks. So really,
Sure,
none of my family don't get no earth. But everything what we have, infrastructure,
It's gone.
gone. So none of my family don't get no earth. Because the most I really did not like here, wall out here, so bung up tonight.
Yeah.
Because the church up there, so we get going at Gilbert, he eat this stone out time.
Jeez,
He eat this, you know, video it?
I visited the church, yes.
Right.
Yeah.
Eat this stone out of the church. Eat this stone. And the farming them, I see right now, the banana tree peel the skin off of the banana tree. Peel it off.
Yes.
Ground where you plant the yam stick them, the yam itself, it eat the
Gone.
ground.
Everything gone.
And I see the way it tear off the church top as well, you know, the benches,
So it is
everything,
the
the
wall
stone.
that, listen me, the wall that build the church was a wall church. And it eat the stone out of the wall.
Jeez,
So this is not a laughing situation. So all I want to see who survive, just try to help him to come back from Africa. You know who is Jamaican. So everybody see.
yeah.
Just give it the
Brother,
vibe.
I mean, it's just like yourself. Gone. Gone. Not before 5 years time, before we get bird food, peer, and all this something there.
Yes, man.
Gone.
Jeez,
Sun farming gone. It's done. It's done. It's
Sure.
all done. Just everything. Boy, all around the place, my darling. If you could fly and see what's taking place, it would be terrible. All over the place.
This is so sad, you know?
Now tell you, my brother.
We have life and there's whoops.
Here's what.
You see whoops, yeah.
Yeah, so no matter for us. So you go.
So go, you know what I mean?
We have to just pick up the pieces and carry on. We can't give up because we are Jamaica, we never give up.
Never give up, you know?
The
Have to
song
keep
said,
going.
we never give up and we not stop trying.
That's
So
right.
we never are Jamaicans. So
That's
we
right.
carry on. Yeah, man.
Yes,
This is
man.
just a little bit of what make get about out and shop. But the other rest them, me put them at different house because
Yeah, man,
but
that's right.
from me know say me not dead, me have life and me carry on. So me not really cry like some boy, me a worse, but me just like them the country.
Yes, of course.
Because this a country everybody love it.
Yes, man, it's a beautiful country, Jamaica, and Jamaica life is nice.
Everybody talk about Jamaica.
But
I
right
mean,
now,
it's one of the number one tourist country in the whole
Yes.
world.
For the whole world.
The whole world, right now.
Right now.
as you can see, you have eyes to see. So I know behind one studio we did the talk this. I like something this I hear after the talk.
Yes,
Because the place turn from green to brown.
yes,
That is it.
Right
yes.
now, a lot of people in the United States, they want to come to Jamaica, but some of them don't have nowhere to stay.
Yeah.
They want to come home, they say they want to come back to the country. But Jamaica is the number one. So my darling, I don't know. We have to just pray and ask God to just make we just, you know, get
Yes,
some
man.
help.
Yes, we will do
Get
that.
some help that we can do whatever we want to do.
Yes.
Yes, darling.
All right.
And
Thank
I
you so
know
much,
by
guys.
God, grace and mercy, it's going to happen.
Yes.
It's going to done.
All right. Thank you so much, guys.
Yeah, man.
simple province life with ate, you know, right here chopping the boko here still, guys. You can see she got her Philippine style, she got her relaxed back style. Juicy right, guys, you know, it's really, really good price, you know. So come here to Marrakesh, guys, in Square Market is beautiful, guys. Oh, look at the size of them, you know? Yeah, look at the color. We got such amazing color in here. Look at that. You know? Oh, I think Maserati. Discover in the Philippines. This is a foreign American. 5 Filipinos.
What a ham! Look at the video, it's very nice.
Yes, but a lot of people are crazy about me in Morocco. But you know, they're so amazed about my height here in Philippines, guys, you know. So I'm very famous in this country.